Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Volkswagen Tiguan. First, ensure your key is present, then press the brake and push the start button, or insert the key and turn it. Before moving, take a moment to adjust your seat for comfort and ensure you have a clear view. Also, set your side and rear view mirrors correctly. These initial steps are crucial for a safe and comfortable driving experience. Once started, shift the gear selector into drive. To move, gently press the accelerator pedal, increasing pressure gradually for smooth acceleration. When you need to slow down or stop, apply steady pressure to the brake pedal. Remember to always maintain a safe following distance from other vehicles and anticipate traffic changes for a smooth journey. Your Tiguan offers various driving modes to enhance your experience. You can select these using the rotary dial on the center console. For instance, off-road mode is perfect for unpaved paths, adjusting the vehicle's systems for better traction. Snow mode helps manage power delivery on slippery roads, providing more control. Experiment with these modes to find the best setting for your current environment. Parking your Tiguan is made easier with its integrated rearview camera and parking sensors, which provide visual and audible cues. When you've parked, engage the electronic parking brake by pulling the switch up. Most importantly, always prioritize safety. Ensure you and all your passengers are wearing seatbelts before every journey. Drive responsibly and enjoy your Tiguan.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.